AI is transforming how people search for support online, and that includes how they find a therapist. At Therapy Everywhere, we see this shift not as a challenge, but as an exciting opportunity. As AI becomes more central to search, it's reshaping the way content is displayed and how potential clients engage with information. Our job is to stay ahead of the curve, so your practice doesn't just keep up, it stands out. Let's take a moment to consider a therapist we recently worked with, Sarah. She had an incredible private practice but was struggling to attract new clients online. Her website was beautifully designed, yet her visibility was low. When AI started playing a bigger role in search, many therapists worried their sites would lose traffic, and instead of falling behind, Sarah partnered with us. Together, we revamped her content to be clearer, more authoritative, and deeply aligned with what her ideal clients were searching for. By implementing structured data, focusing on topic depth, and designing with both users and AI in mind, Sarah's practice began to appear not only in traditional search results, but also as a trusted source in AI-generated answers. Over time, this led to more meaningful inquiries and a steady flow of new clients who truly resonated with her approach. We focus on what works now and what's coming next. From visibility and AI-generated answers to building long-term trust and topical authority, we guide you through every step. At Therapy Everywhere, we're not just here to boost your rankings. We're here to help you grow, with practical strategies rooted in insight, ethics, and results. This is the future of marketing for therapists, and you don't have to navigate it alone. Schedule your complimentary consultation with Therapy Everywhere today. Let's build something that works now and thrives tomorrow.